In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Alibaba. If you've been browsing products or messaging suppliers, it's a good habit to sign out when you're done, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. Start by going to alibaba.com in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're already signed in. You'll know you're logged in if you can see your account name or a small profile icon in the top right corner of the page. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to log out, so go ahead and sign in first if needed. Now move your cursor to the top right area where your profile icon or account name appears. This icon might be a small avatar image or a circle with the first letter of your name. Click it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Alibaba keeps all your personal account shortcuts, like orders, messages, and settings. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Sign Out or Log Out. The wording might vary slightly, but it serves the same purpose. Click Sign Out or Log Out, and the site will immediately end your session. You may be redirected to the home page or to a page where you see a Sign In or Join Free button, which is a clear sign that you've successfully logged out. To double-check, try refreshing the page or clicking to a new section of the site. If you no longer see your account name or profile icon in the top right corner, you're safely logged out. If your browser still shows your account name, it could be a caching issue. Just refresh or close and reopen the tab to confirm. A couple of quick tips. Simply closing the tab does not always sign you out, so it's best to use the sign out option when you're finished. If you're on a shared device, make sure your browser isn't set to remember your passwords and consider clearing saved logins after you sign out. If you don't see the profile icon because your window is zoomed in, zoom out a bit or widen the window so the top right menu appears. And if the site looks different due to a regional layout or a recent redesign, the sign out option will still be in the account menu at the top right. That's it. Go to alibaba.com, confirm you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right, and choose sign out or log out. You'll be securely signed out and ready to go.